For decades, scientists couldn't understand how the inhabitants of a faraway island in the Aegean Sea could live on average for a whole 10 years longer than Americans, all with lean, healthy bodies that pulse with powerful, natural energy day after day. They started calling it the island with the key to longevity, and the island where people forget to die. They were astonished by what they discovered. The locals also enjoyed healthy, younger brains, healthy cholesterol, strong hearts, and clean arteries that men and women in most Western countries could only dream of. And then recently, their secret to optimal health and longevity was revealed. And the good news is, you can benefit from it too. Introducing the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, the potent blend of nutrients which Ikarians drink each morning to maintain young, healthy, and lean bodies. Its unique blend of rare fruit and plant extracts help you burn off stubborn fat on cruise control, allowing you to enjoy the toned, slim body and young-looking face that you crave. Simply mix 1 scoop of powder into a glass of water or your favorite beverage and drink it each morning. The delicious juice infuses your body with an ancient blend of rare nutrients, which targets the extra pockets of fat around your body, including the dangerous visceral fat which sits around your organs. It also supports a healthy liver, your key fat-burning organ, a healthy cardiovascular system, and a stronger body better equipped to flush out toxins and fight off troublesome conditions, all while you enjoy surges of natural energy that enable you to take the world on, helping you feel younger by the day, with glowing, radiant skin and fuller, richer hair. Your cravings start to fade away, and your digestion becomes smooth and easy. You enjoy looking in the mirror and seeing the leaner, younger-looking body and face. The unique combination of ingredients inside the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice will light up your brain, improve your mood, and boost your sex drive to that of a much younger person. Enjoy the fruity taste while your metabolism starts to fire on all cylinders. Yes, now you can burn fat and enjoy soaring energy levels, just like the healthy, long-living people of Ikaria do. The Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is perfectly safe to take and contains only natural ingredients. It is manufactured right here in the USA in an FDA-approved and GMP Good Manufacturing Practices facility, where regular checks and tests are carried out to ensure potency and quality. Thousands who enjoyed Ikaria Lean Belly Juice daily are only too happy to tell us about their experiences.
I lost a whole 42 pounds that I wasn't even expecting to lose when I got started. People telling you you're looking younger, that sure is something I won't say no to.
I saw your presentation and I started doing what you said in your video, and since then, I've lost around 55 pounds. Wow.
Okay, so I am down 4 dress sizes and 29 pounds. Incredible. And it just keeps getting better and better.
So far, I'm down an incredible 28 pounds.
It was the turning point for me. Over the last 2 months, I've lost nearly 25 pounds and the weight is still dropping off.
I'm so confident you'll experience life-changing results. I'm prepared to back up the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice with a rock-solid 100% satisfaction guarantee for 6 months. That's right, you have a full 180 days to decide if the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is right for you. If at any point during the next 6 months following your order, you are less than delighted with your results, simply contact us and we will refund your order, no questions asked. As soon as you click below and start your order, our friendly warehouse team will pack and priority ship it to your doorstep. Just imagine, in only a few days from now, you'll be able to start enjoying the incredible benefits of the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice in the comfort of your own home. As soon as you start taking it, you notice a pleasant boost in energy, more clarity, and less brain fog. Your metabolism kicks into high gear. You find it almost effortless to control your cravings, as your body is transformed into a powerful fat-burning machine. The Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is your answer to an easier and more enjoyable weight loss journey. Just imagine how great you will feel when you look at your reflection in the mirror and see a new, toned, slim, and attractive you. Just imagine the confidence you will experience when you're finally able to fit into those tight jeans again, to walk down the street and get looks of astonishment and even envy at your new slender form. How will it feel to get compliments from friends and family, and then listen to them desperately trying to find out your secret? Today, for a limited time only, You can stock up on the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice at super low, massively discounted prices. Take advantage of this unique promotion and start enjoying these amazing benefits. Click below and choose your package.